Ready or not, here I come, Zach. All right, Zach, I'll let you go first.
Free pineapple, sweet loser.
No, Zach!
I just stole this kid's pineapple.
You want to explode it?
Yeah! The first bag of rubber bands has been opened. Let it begin.
My glasses.
I am not looking forward to one of these sharp things flying into my eye. Or maybe piercing my liver.
I think the fact that you're snapping a pineapple is really offensive to the continent of Hawaii.
That's caving in, especially at the bottom here.
We should take a break.
We like just started and she's asking for a break. This is why women get paid less in the work field. What are you doing? And check out that nice mohawk. Zach is looking fine. Wait, let's direct it that way. Because I feel like now it's going to go flying that way.
Wait, at me? I don't think that's how that first physics.
2 + 1 =
Yup, it's definitely going to go this way if we arrange it like that. We're going to need some more. Some say I've been betrayed. It is a river. How could you do this to me?
Millions of views.
Oh, juice is pouring out.
Oh!
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
All right, come on, we gotta keep going. Look at the juice. It's literally squirting out. Oh, from this end too. Quick, Kaylee, we gotta go.
Oh my gosh, wait.
It's coming out. Wait.
Can I taste the juice? Is that weird?
Nice.
Oh my gosh, it tastes just like pineapple juice.
Oh, it does. You know why,
Wait,
guys?
Drew.
I've come to this conclusion. It's a pineapple.
I thought that was gonna be it. Are you backing up?
Oh, it's coming up from another side.
Hurry up, hurry up.
Another crack open. Guys, I don't think you can get it.
Oh, it's squirting juice. Like it keeps.
Yeah, every time we put it down,
Like it's spraying out.
I don't think. Recording.
Do you see all of this?
Look at that. Look
This
at
is
the buckling.
insane.
It's literally all over.
Oh my gosh, look at how much
just
it's
like
buckling.
dripping.
All right, come on, Kaylee. Pouring.
It's pouring.
Kaylee, kind of get down a little more. I don't want this to go into anyone's eyes.
It's just juicing it.
Oh my gosh. Hurry up, we gotta be quick.
Okay, wait.
Look at that.
I want to make sure. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, it cut
Did you get that? Alright, so I was a little upset that we didn't get the last one on camera, but not only did we not get it on camera, but me and Kaylee, we were both bending down to get more rubber bands, so we didn't even get to see it. We bought another pineapple. This is take 2 of the pineapple explosion with rubber bands. Give the stem a nice little man bun there. At least now we can know what to expect.
Yeah.
Pros before hoes. Unless your hoe is a pro.
Oh.
Maybe pineapples have a curse and you can't possibly see it explode. Now hold on, Kaylee, I see a problem we gotta try and fix. See how it's like crooked? Let's try and make it more.
Which side is my side? In my face. Can you hold it up? Can you hold it up?
Whoa, juice is flying out.
What? It's gonna
Ah! Look at that! It went right. Oh my gosh, it just popped up.
I cannot believe it worked.
I'm gonna eat a piece.
That part is.
It tastes good. So bottom line is, this is a quick and easy way to cut your pineapple before serving it.
Seriously though, look how clean that cut is.
Entertaining way for your guests.
Yeah, look at this. Look at this puddle of pineapple juice.
I like, it made a noise that goes, and then you,
Yeah,
and then you
it actually popped inside like the rubber bands first.
You know what, I think it's because it has to crack the core. You know, pineapples have that core, so it has to pop that. I think that's what takes so long. Ladies want those trim waists?
Alright, people, Zach.
Alright guys, well thanks for watching. This was crazy. Bye guys.
Bye.
Thanks for watching, y'all.